Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2020 Ford F-250 XLT. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.2-liter gas engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have that nice tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a nice bedliner with this vehicle as well as a tailgate step, mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, trailer tow mirrors that have blind spot detection, spotlight mirrors, mud flaps on the front, and moving to the front we have two tow hooks, aftermarket LED light bar, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space. You do get a flat fold storage system with a vinyl flooring, has the Super Duty logo on the floor, your 6 additional seat with a 12-volt cup holders, and of course you can lift up the seats if you need additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we mostly have powered seats with the only manual part being there. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front. We got your lights, pedal adjusters, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 170,687 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. You have your volume, playback, play forward, mode, mute, voice and phone, cruise control, and toggle for your screen, which you can then go through. Display mode, trip and feel, towing, off-road, and other settings. To my right we have cup holders, nice little storage cubby, storage there, your 6 additional seat with storage below. You have storage there, USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt. Climate control, trailer brake, 4-wheel drive, and rear locking diff. 12-volt and a 10-volt. You got storage here and below. Storage above. And above me we have 6 Upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please. We have our tractions, hazards, and lane keep. On our main infotainment system we have our audio, compass phone, Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you do get your Bluetooth, Sirius XM, AM, FM, all that jazz. Phone. Any apps you may download will show up right here. And your settings such as your Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Ford Pass, Android Auto, voice controls, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for the vehicle is LE41967D. And you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.